Here's a wild fact most people have never heard of. Did you know that trees can talk to each other? Yep, deep underground, trees are connected through a network of fungi called the Wood Wide Web. Through this fungal network, trees can share nutrients, send signals when they're under attack, and even help out their neighbors. For example, older, larger trees, sometimes called mother trees, will support younger trees by sending them extra nutrients. It's like an underground internet for trees, helping the whole forest thrive together. So next time you're in a forest, just remember, those trees are probably having a conversation you'll never hear. Hit follow for more rare and random facts.